Welcome back to another video. Today we have 18 gauge cordless brad nailer. They buy this at factory authorized outlets from TTI. According to what it says, it's factory blemish, factory recondition. This was on sale. I believe they're 40% off right now. So if you guys go to that, get a nailer, you guys can get this for free. It's a killer deal, guys. It was like for 60 bucks around there. Another video, I will be doing a handheld electronic sprayer. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform, by subscribes and likes. It says factory recondition. This is Ryobi power tool, limited 1-year warranty. You got description: 18 gauge cordless 2-inch brad nailer. Brad nailer specifications: you got magazine capacity 105 brad nails, you got nails per minute 60, you got nail gauge 18 gauge, you got nail range 5/8 to 2 inches. It says it includes ZRP 32C brad nailer, 1 1/4 18 gauge belt clip, brad nails and operations manual. Battery and charger sold separately. Causes cancer and reproductive harm in California. So don't buy this in California, you're gonna get cancer. But if you buy it anywhere else, you're not gonna get cancer. Alright, first thing out of the box, we got an instruction manual. We do have a belt clip and we got some sample nails. So pretty standard. I mean, it's not nothing fancy. It's just a painted gray brad nails. Alright, so we got the nailer itself. It is very clean. We do have a tag here. I don't know what it says. This is April 13, 2022. I don't know if it was reconditioned. Airstrike technology. You do got a nice rubber stop there. You do got some LEDs here on both sides. You got one nail. You got multiple nails. So this is the rapid fire and the single fire. So finger fire by trigger. So one press, one nail. And then you got rapid fire, which is a bump fire. Basically, you press this and you just go. It says comparable with the 18 gauge brad nails from, you got 5/8 all the way to 2 inches. What they put this here, it's hard to see. Right here on the bag, you got plus and minus. This is the depth gauge here. It tells you right there, if you turn it clockwise, you're gonna get the nail further in or further into the wood. Counterclockwise, you're gonna stick the nail a little bit further out. If you get a jam or something, take that off, take the nail off or whatnot, whatever you have to do. It's kind of hard. And then to get the nails in, all you do is just press this button and you can release it. Put your nails in and then you can let's put the nails in. Alright, so you do put them all the way to the end there. Just gonna put the pieces that are smaller first because I'll lose those. And then we'll just put, yeah, that's not enough. Alright, so we'll just put one of these little strips there. And that's it, pretty much in there already. We're probably going to have to take this outside and put it to work. I'm going to go ahead and put the clip on. So there's nothing going on until you depress that. So it does have a trigger lock here. This is a lock here. So you do have to press this. So this will be pressed. We're gonna put it on single fire. So just press it. 1, 2. Pretty simple. And then this is the depth gauge. So I already adjusted it. Now we're gonna put it at the bump fire. So what you do is just hold the trigger. Very simple, guys. This is a great little gun. This is what I wanted for my remodels, my house remodels, DIY. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform. My subscribers and likes, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.